My significant learning experiences from Module 1 to 5 have shaped me as a lectionite, a member of the family, the church, and the society. Modules 1 and 2 helped me understand how family situation and dynamics influence a person's growth, values, and behavior, which made me appreciate my own family more and became more patient, understanding, communicative. Modules 3 to 5 naman, which focus on the foundation's importance and significance of marriage, taught me that marriage is a sacred and lifelong commitment rooted in love, responsibility, and maturity. These lessons deepened my appreciation for the sacrifices of my parents, which helped me understand the church's view of marriage as a covenant and reminded me how strong families contribute stable and value-driven communities. Altogether, these modules gave me a clearer understanding of relationships and the role of family in shaping in an individual's society. For the second question, my formation-oriented religious education, or the FORE, learning experience this semester has been very meaningful and fruitful, I would say. It was very reflective and transformative. It allowed me to look beyond the academic requirements and focus more on my personal values, growth, and faith. Through the lessons and reflections, I became more aware of my identity, my responsibility within my family and the community, and the values I need to develop for my future. Quora encouraged me to think deeply about real-life situations and relationships, helped strengthen my spiritual foundation, and guided me in living out the Letran values of the Deus Patria, Letran, in my daily life.